Hey everyone, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. And I'm going to give you my last update on my succulent fountain that's out here on my back patio. This has been a wonderful project that I have just dearly loved. All of the plants has done so well, especially the ones that were able to get out of the full sun for a little bit of the day. The only problem I had was this area here. And you can see this was like a cocoon plant, and I've lost a little bit of it, and it's lost some of the, you can see close there how it's doing at the bottom. And here I've had a caterpillar, a slug of some kind to get in here. But for the most part, everything has done really well. This string of bananas was in a little 2-inch pot, and just look at the growth that it has. Just beautiful. And then of course my string of pearls. They have just been excellent. And all the other plants have grown, they've gotten big, multiplied, they've all got babies. Got a few dahlias hanging around. So I will be moving all of these plants into terracotta pots, and they will be going into the greenhouse. We are at a point at the greenhouse where we're ready to put the polycarbonate on. So I'm hoping by the end of this month that I will be close to getting in. So all of these will be moved in before we have our first frost. We've had a very long summer, a very long hot summer. The last 3 days our temperature has been in the low 90s. That's hot for us. We don't even have color in our trees yet, just because we haven't had, cool nights. So we're just getting ready to kind of settle down for the fall, to move everything in that I want to save. And of course I want to save all of my succulents. Look at the dichondra. This is dichondra Silver Falls. But this fountain is it's just wonderful, and I'm so proud of it. And it filled in wonderfully. And next year I'm thinking I want dichondra Silver Falls. I'm going to put it all on the bottom, and then the middle layer will be where I put succulents, and I won't put as many, but I love the way this filled in right here. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to keep this like this also. I'm going to put it in a pot just like it is. And then on top, because the soil layer is not very thick, you don't have a lot to plant in here, I'm going to find something that's going to thrive there in the full sun, because for about 8 hours a day it is full sun. This is done pretty well, but I want to find something different for that area and make it really dramatic. And I won't do the blue chalk sticks this next year just because this gets too big. But anyway, this is one final look before it's torn apart and everything is put into terracotta pots. So I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed the update, and I'll see you next time on Garden Rudiments.